Today we are going to learn about strokes. And what are these strokes? It's just simple line drawings and curves. So can we go ahead and learn it? Yes. And the first one that we are going to see is the standing line. So look at this picture. It is the standing line from top to bottom. Top to bottom is the standing line. So do it with me now. Take your fingers, the pointer finger and the middle finger. Hold it like this. Top to bottom. Top to bottom is the standing line. And the second one which we are going to see is the sleeping line. It's sleep time. Sleeping line. It is going to go flat and sleep. So again, take your two fingers, the pointer finger and your middle finger, and we are going to do the sleeping line from left to right. From left to right. Here goes your sleeping line. So can you see this picture? That is the sleeping line. And this is your standing line. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. And this is your sleeping line. Left to right. Left to right. So these are the two lines which we have learnt today. The standing line and the sleeping line. Thanks for watching all our videos on our channel, that is Pencildz International Play School. I hope you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and keep your notifications turned on for all the future updates.